It's been a while since we styled our hair because we are young and hip in these streets. The lips. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. Hey. It's your girl Ginger, of course. Welcome back. Today we're gonna do this beautiful hairstyle. It's been a while since we styled our hair. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. Also check me out on Instagram and TikTok because we are young and hip in these streets. And I'm trying to hit 20K on TikTok, so follow your girl. Today's Mother's Day and I look like this. It's a vibe. It's giving me a little homeless mixed with I should have locked my hair, mixed with I abandoned my hair while I was doing it. If you want to see how I got this beautiful hairstyle, I will look a video over here. But we're gonna get ourselves together. We're gonna do our hair. I was gonna say wash, but I washed my hair 2 days ago. But I'm going to wet it first and then style it. And the reason why I'm going to wet my hair is because water is the #1 product. Okay, it's unmatched. There's no products on the market that performs as well as water. So once I wet my hair, it's going to be manageable and I'm gonna be able to do what I need to do with it, which is gonna be a super cute style. So I'm excited. Okay, you ready? Let's go. All right, girly, let's get into this tutorial. I am going to be using this gel by Shea Moisture. Did y'all know that Shea Moisture has a new line of gel as well as edge control? Because I didn't know, but they sent them to me in PR and I actually really like this edge control, but we'll talk about that a little bit later in this video. I also use some mousse and a rat tail comb for my parts. Now this style is actually super simple, but the key is to get your parting right, okay? And that's where I spent all of my time trying to part my hair. And the key to parting is to do it over and over and over until you get it right. We're not quitters over here, okay? If you do a part and it's not right, you keep parting until you get it right, girl, okay? This is my little pep talk to you. If at first you don't succeed, pick your part up and try again. Now I know it's tricky to get even parts when it comes to straight back cornrows, and the trick is to work in sections. So I'll split my hair in half down the middle, and then with one section I'm going to split that in half as well. And once I'm satisfied with my part, you know, after parting a few times and I get it right, then I'm going to split that section once again into 2. So you keep breaking your hair into 2 so that you have even parts, especially when it comes to the back of your hair. Because if you're just going from one side to the other, most likely you're gonna run out of hair in the back, and that's just not cute. So once you have your even parts, you're just going to put your gel all over your hair. At least that's what I did, okay? You don't have to use gel all over your hair, but I am no longer afraid of gels. And gels nowadays are not like what we used to. They are no longer really drying. For example, this styling gel is not drying at all. It has no alcohol. And y'all remember the coconut and hibiscus cream, like the OG Shea Moisture cream? It smells just like it. It's technically a defining gel. It has silk protein and neem oil. It also has coconut oil, I believe, flaxseed oil, and it provides long-lasting hold and shine without drying your hair. And I can say that it's not very drying. Technically, you're supposed to use it on wet hair, and I used it, I guess, on damp hair. It did what it needed to do. And no, this video is not sponsored by Shea Moisture, although it should be, okay? Because I'm putting you on some great products right here. I decided to add the mousse, and that's obviously a personal choice because I wanted more hold. But on top of that, putting the mousse in my hair actually makes it very manageable, so I'm able to further stretch my hair before putting in the cornrows. As you can see, my hair is not very long, and when I get to the back of my hair, I want it to be smooth, at least as smooth as possible, and making sure that my hair is detangled made it not just smooth but also easier for me to actually braid all the way to the back. Once we're done with the braids, and my hair is not very long, so I have the tiny little hang time in the back, I'm gonna get it together. So I'm gonna use some rubber bands to actually do 2 little ponytail, and because they were so tiny, I was like, what if I improvised? Now this would have been a lot easier if I had extra kinky hair laying around, but I didn't. What I did have, however, is this kinky ponytail, and I was like, you know what, Jen? we're gonna make it work. And my hair is not long enough to be in a ponytail, so I was like, this one's gonna take one for the team. So what I ended up doing is cutting pieces out of the ponytail, and once I cut it, I am going to braid pieces of hair and attach it to the back of my head, girl. And no one's gonna know that my little itty tiny ponytail is not mine, okay? Just a little bit of help never hurts nobody. And then now we're gonna move on to them edges. Not many products got my edges smooth, slayed, and staying slayed, but this one right here, you better tell them I sent you. The edge control smells just like the OG cream, and it has this really thick, waxy substance, which works great on our 4C edges. Y'all know not every edge control is for us, okay? And I haven't used a lot of edge control that gives me hold and longevity when it comes to my edges. I'm able to achieve smooth, laid edges, and it also has no alcohol. Once I get my edges together the way that I want them to be, I'm going to tie my hair down, do my makeup. Just like that, we have a beautiful style. First of all, okay lips. Are you gonna stay? Now, the back was a little wonky, you know, but we made it work. If I was to leave the house, I probably would pick up, you know, like kinky hair that I could just twist and make a bigger bun. But I think it's cute. It's giving spring. It's giving carefree. It's giving, I just had a baby and I just need to put my hair away. Low-key, but we're not gonna tell nobody. Okay, pause. I just want to clarify that you don't need to put your hair away, especially when you're having a baby for postpartum or whatever. So many people left a comment on my last video asking me if I regretted not braiding my hair for postpartum. And to that, I say no. I actually enjoy taking care of my hair, and one of the things that keeps me sane right now is to just do my hair, do my routine, do my self-care. And if I did braid my hair, I would have spent, what, 4 or 5 hours getting it braided, 4 or 5 hours taking down the braids, and then having to deal with my hair in questionable shape. Let's be honest, protective styles can be pretty drying to your hair and detrimental to your scalp, and I don't have to deal with any of those issues right now. Now, doing the mini twists, they were easy to put in, easy to take out, and my hair was in such great shape. Go back and watch the video if you don't know what I'm talking about, but I just wanted to clarify. Okay, resume. I really love how it turned out, so let me know down below how you feel about this style. Would you do it? When it comes to parting your braids for cornrows, honestly, it's about dedication. You just keep parting until you get it right. And if you have a friend or a mother or someone around that can help you out, ask them. I hope that you enjoyed the... Okay, you have to go. The lips. Okay, that is all. This makeup look will be on Instagram or TikTok, so check me out over there. If you're interested in any of the products, use my link down below because it helps my channel. It helps me out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.